Good morning, students. Now, today we will start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 10, which is in your syllabus, and the chapter is cell cycle and cell division. Again, I repeat, the 10th chapter is cell cycle and cell division. Now, let's see what is cell cycle and cell division. If we talk about the cell division means when from one cell you can form the two cells or more cell, right? Now its exact definition is it is the method of producing the cells, right, from pre-existing cells. Understand the meaning? Pre-existing cells means the cells which are already there. Clear? The method of reproducing cells from pre-existing cells by their division in such a way that the daughter cells receive the same hereditary material, that is chromosomes, present in the parents. Now it means that the cells form from one cell to more cells, but every cell has the same type of chromosome whatever the parents are having. Clear, beta? Now if we talk about the cell cycle, now what is cell cycle basically? It is a sequence of events including growth and vision that a cell undergoes from time of its formation up to its division into daughter cell. Now what is the meaning of this? कि जब एक नया सेल बनेगा बेटे, after that cell will grow, do everything, then that cell is ready for the next division. So what are the sequences or the events between the formation of new cell up to the time when that same cell is ready to divide? We call it cell cycle. Now, the duration of cell cycle between the successive cell division, clear? What we call it generation time, right beta? Now, if we talk about the cell cycle consists of basically two phases, clear? नया सेल बनने से फिर जब वो दोबारा से डिवाइड करने के काबिल हो जाएगा, यानी कि वो खुद एक नया सेल बनाएगा, तो ये पूरे जो इवेंट्स है उसको हम सेल साइकिल बोलते हैं. एंड वी डिवाइड all these stages into the basically two steps, that is the interphase, clear, जिसको हम non dividing phase भी बोलते हैं, and the mitotic phase, clear. Now let's see what happens in the interphase. Now if we talk about the interphase beta, तो interphase basically is a non dividing preparatory phase during which a cell grows. मतलब ये सेल को तैयार कर रहा है डिवीजन के लिए. Clear? It is a non-dividing, cell will not divide in the stage, preparatory phase during which a cell grows in size and duplication of hereditary material. Now we know that it has to send the chromosome, equal chromosomes into the two cells. Clear? अब इसको chromosomes देने तो naturally it has to make it double, तो इसको पहले डबल बनाने पड़ेंगे, तो वो सारी तैयारी ये इस फेस में करेगा. Clear? Now it is further divided. अब अगर हम इंटरफेस की बात करें तो interface is further divided into the three subphases, right? Now those phases are, the first stage is G1 phase, clear? Then second is S phase, and the third one is G2 phase, clear? Now after that, the mitotic phase, clear? If we see the what is the second phase, first is interphase, so we have seen that. Now what happens in case of mitotic phase? Mitotic phase, it is a dividing phase during which the cell, the nucleus as well as the cytoplasm. You know that in the cell two parts are there, central part is nucleus and the cytoplasm. Now from one cell you have to make the two cells, तो इसका मतलब आपको दो चीज़ें चाहिए डबल, आधी आधी इक्वल बांटनी है ना. तो in this phase, mitotic phase में क्या होगा बेटा? During which nucleus as well as cytoplasm divides into two daughter cells. Clear? अब इसमें दो चीज़ें बनेगी, एक से दो cells, same type of cells you will get it with same number of chromosomes. अब mitotic phase जो है, we have to divide into two things. One is karyokinesis. Karyo word is always related with the nucleus. So karyokinesis means that in this phase nucleus divides. एक से दो nucleus बनेंगे, right? And cytokinesis word, as from the name it is clear, division of cytoplasm. Clear beta? Now, so this is the, now after that if we see about the division of cell, basically it is of two types, right? Now, you might have heard about the somatic cells and the reproductive cells. बॉडी में बेटा दो तरह के सेल्स होते हैं, एक नॉर्मल जैसे आपके स्किन के सेल्स हो गए, हेयर के सेल्स हो गए, और कुछ सेल्स जो आपके गैमीट्स बनाते हैं, तो दे आर ऑल्सो डिवाइडिंग. बट वी विल सी दैट द डिवीजन according to the type of cell is of two types. Clear? One is mitosis and another is meiosis. So firstly, let's study about the mitosis. So what is mitosis basically? Now mitosis occurs in your somatic cells, means the cells in which chromosome number remains same. There is no reduction or change of chromosomes, right? Like your skin cells, hair cells, nails, they all will divide and grow by the mitosis. Clear beta? Now let's see the definition. Mitosis, it is a type of cell division during which a cell divides into two daughter cells. एक से दो daughter cells बनेंगे and each contain the same number of chromosomes. Clear? अगर पेरेंट सेल में 10 क्रोमोसोम्स हैं तो जो डॉटर सेल्स बनेंगे दे ऑल्सो हैव द 10 क्रोमोसोम्स एज प्रेजेंट इन द पेरेंट सेल. आई थिंक क्लियर इट. Now, as the number of chromosomes will remain same in the daughter cells, whatever the parents are having, so that's why it is called equational cell division, right? And this type of division takes place in the, as I already told you, which cells? Somatic cells, like your skin cells, hair cells and other. Clear? And it is used for the growth, development and repair of an organism. इफ़ एनी पार्ट हैज़ टू रिपेयर, जैसे आपकी स्किन पे चोट लग जाती है बेटा, फिर वहाँ पे नई स्किन आ जाती है, तो दैट इज़ बाय विच टाइप ऑफ डिवीजन? तो सेल्स डिवाइड बाय द माइटोसिस, राइट? नाउ एंड हेंस इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सोमैटिक सेल डिवीजन बिकॉज इट इज़ अकरिंग ओनली इन द सोमैटिक सेल्स. क्लियर? नाउ माइटोसिस was first of all described by Strasburger in plant cells and Walter Flemings in the animal cells. Clear? Understand beta? And he named it mitosis in 1882. Now, before a cell undergoes mitosis, अब मान लीजिए उसको माइटोसिस में जाना है, यानी कि उसको स्टार्ट करना है, firstly the cell has to prepare itself. Clear? And what we call that phase, in the starting we have done the preparation of the cell for the division, that phase is called interphase, right? So every cell has to prepare itself for the division, so we call it interphase. And in this phase what will happen? The cell grows to its maximum size, cytoplasm increases, right? Duplication of chromosome materials वो double हो जाएगा. Clear? DNA जो contents है cell का, so all these things will be happen. And the chromatin material, when the cell is ready to divide, it shortens, thickens and form. Now first it is chromatin threads, वो network सा होता है बेटे, जाल सा बिछा होता है. But at this stage now it becomes condensed and clear picture is seen to you and you can count the chromosomes at this stage, and now we call this chromosome. Clear? Now another process, how the one cell will give you the two cells, that we will discuss in the next video. Thanks beta.